Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is chicken. Chicken is an A1 level noun, and it means poultry animal or food. So, chicken, a word we all know, right? It's that feathered friend clucking around the farm, or maybe that delicious meal we enjoy. In simple terms, chicken refers to a domesticated bird raised for its meat and eggs. Think of it as the animal itself or the meat derived from that animal. You might say, we have chickens in our backyard, meaning you raise these birds. Or, I'm having fried chicken for dinner, indicating you're eating the meat. So, it's quite a versatile word, isn't it? Now, let's delve into some synonyms for chicken. While there isn't a perfect synonym for the animal itself, we can consider words like fowl or poultry, particularly when discussing farming or agriculture. For example, the farmer raised various kinds of poultry, including chickens, ducks, and geese. When referring to chicken as food, we might use terms like fowl or poultry meat. For example, the recipe calls for boneless chicken breast. Or, she prefers white poultry meat over red meat. These words offer a similar meaning in specific contexts. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the spectrum with antonyms. Since chicken typically refers to a bird or its meat, direct antonyms are a bit tricky. However, we can think about what chicken isn't. It's not beef, pork, or fish, which are other types of meat. For example, instead of chicken, he ordered beef. Or, she decided to eat fish instead of chicken tonight. These examples highlight the contrasting choices when it comes to different types of food. Now, let's talk about how we use chicken in everyday life. It's everywhere. We use it in countless recipes, from simple roasted chicken to complex curries. We talk about chicken soup when we're feeling unwell, and we might even jokingly call someone a chicken if they're afraid to do something. Think about phrases like, don't be a chicken, meaning don't be scared. Or, I'm making chicken salad for lunch. See how seamlessly it fits into our daily conversations. Here are a few more examples of chicken in sentences. The chicken laid an egg this morning. This chicken is so delicious. He ordered a chicken sandwich at the deli. The farmer has many chickens on his farm. She is raising chickens to sell the eggs. We can also use chicken in idioms. For example, chicken feed means a small amount of money. Someone might say that job pays peanuts, it's practically chicken feed. Another expression is chicken out, which means to back out of something due to fear. He was going to ask her on a date, but he chickened out at the last minute. So, chicken is not just about the bird, it's also woven into our language in interesting ways. To summarize, chicken is a common A1 level noun that refers to a poultry animal raised for its meat and eggs. While synonyms like fowl and poultry exist in specific contexts, antonyms are best understood as other types of meat like beef, pork, or fish. Chicken is used extensively in everyday conversations, recipes, and even idioms, making it a truly versatile word. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word chicken. Your support helps others find the show, so please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. And before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word chicken and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.